What's going on, YouTube? I'm here eating some leftovers from what I cooked yesterday. How many know that leftovers taste way better than they do the day you cooked it? Because your food had time to settle in and all the seasoning and woo. How's everybody's day going today? Mine's going okay so far, and hope everyone enjoyed their Father's Day, all the fathers yesterday. Enjoyed themselves and did something special with the kids. Y'all know what I did? I looked at the Urban Channel yesterday. And this series is called Double Cross. And it was a really good series, y'all. If you got the Urban Channel, you should check that one out. It's really, really good. And it was another movie I watched. I can't even think of the name of it right now. But anyway, it was really good too. Urban Channel have a lot of good movies under the Romance Channel. So, yeah. But anyway, y'all. Hopefully everybody's staying prayed up and in good health today. Because we all know that we need the Lord on our side for the things that we're going through right now, y'all. Things just seem like it's getting harder and harder every day, and they really ain't going to tell us what's going on and, you know, the whole truth to none of that. So, if you really want to stay healthy and good, you got to keep on praying and keep being on the Lord's side, because time winding down here. My cousin, y'all, we finna have her funeral tomorrow, so everybody need to get prayed up and get on God's side, because you want to be ready when he call your name, y'all. I don't think nobody don't want to be ready, because if you ain't ready, that's when it's time to worry. So hopefully all my subscribers is nice and ready. Gotta stay in our Bibles and stay praying every day, all day. And tell my kids, y'all, stay prayed up. You never cease from not praying. You have to pray. But the one thing I didn't do yesterday, y'all, let me tell you. I didn't make no desserts. I didn't even feel for them, y'all. The only thing I had on my mind yesterday was these greens and dressing. But my kids wanted a little dessert, so I still didn't make it. I didn't make it, y'all. What y'all wanted? Caramel cake? I didn't make it. Maybe I make it for the 4th of July. If I'm still here in good health. What's anybody plans for the 4th? Are you guys barbecuing? Let me know in the comment. If I barbecue, y'all, it's gonna be in the oven. I ain't gonna be outside barbecuing. Mainly because we can't. Our landlord got some kind of insurance going on that we can't barbecue unless you have a gas grill. So, can't use charcoal. We will be barbecuing in the oven. I've been looking at some really good YouTubers, y'all. They really got it going on. I like their channels. I'm trying to think of some of the names. What's the name of YouTube channel? I was watching Sofa T. She got a really good channel. Who else? Ressa. Girls really can cook. Or she wanted something to eat. Jamaica. Yes, y'all. So, guess when I get through eating, I just straighten up my kitchen a little. Dusty living room. My tables, they so dusty. Because they black and they collect a lot of dust. So like you have to dust every other day. I'll get through eating, I'll show it to you all. What I'm talking about. Yep, that's what I'm going to do. I think I got enough, y'all. Not like I don't got full. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you guys these tables, and we're going to end it. Okay, you guys. See how dusty it gets? I don't know if you guys can see. Look at that. It gets real dusty. And so I have to dust it like every 2 days. Anyhow, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Please don't forget to comment. Tell your friends and loved ones about this channel. And you guys, I'm going to try to do more videos than cooking. I'm trying other things out too. And please, if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, subscribe. And remember that we love you, but God loves us all best. Good night.